Okay, good morning everyone. So we will study the example number 7.2. So find the center of mass of a triangular lamina. So here, so we have taken the triangular lamina is nothing but a thin film or thin plate of any rigid body is taken. This is triangular shape is called the triangular lamina here. The triangular lamina is taken here. LMN is the triangular lamina. So we can find out the center of mass. So first of all, so I'm taking it is divided at parallel strips. So these parallel strips are parallel to the LMN. It is divided as parallel strips. Okay, these are the parallel strips. These parallel strips are parallel to the MN. So and we have take the midpoint. So the center of mass of each parallel strip is we have taken the centers. So it is center. So it is center. The center points. So midpoints. So these are the midpoints. We can join these midpoints here. We can join here. Okay. Here P point P is the line joining LP is the median of MN. And again we have taken the median of LM. So this is the median of, so we have taken the median of ML, and again the median of the LN, median of NL. So this is median of NL. Okay, so this point, this makes a point. So P, so this is Q, this is R. Okay, it is midpoint of Q is the midpoint of LN and R is the midpoint of LM. So this coincide point of medians of MN and LM and LN. So it is taken as G. Okay, here the midpoint of the coincide point is taken as the center of mass of this triangular lamina. Okay, this midpoint, so we can write here the coincide point of centroid and the common point of medians of LN, MN, so LM. So what is the point? The point is capital G. So then capital G here, G is the center of mass of the lamina. Okay, so anyone, the symmetric triangular lamina is consist of centroid point of triangular lamina is the center of mass of the triangular lamina. Okay, right. Okay, listen, we can discuss another example number 7.3. So find the center of mass of a uniform L-shaped lamina. So a thin flat plate with dimensions is shown. The mass of the lamina is 3 kilograms. So here the mass, total mass, capital M equals to 3 kilograms. Okay, here I draw the x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis and y-axis, this is the lamina shape, L shape. So this lamina is taken as the each lamina, so it is L shape, so it is divided in three, that is a rectangular shape. Okay, three rectangular square shape. So here if we have assume that each side is taken 1 meter. So this is 1 meter and this is 1 meter, it is 1 meter, it is 1 meter, it is 1 meter, it is 1 meter. So the points are indicate, it's point A, point B, it is point D, it is point E and point F. Okay, and again we have taken here, so the side is, so it is 1 meter. So what is the side of complete side? This is 2 meters. So complete side is 1 meter plus 1 meter, 2 meters. So the complete side is 2 meters. Next one, this it is consist of each so here the each one is 1 kilogram. So 3 are divided, so it is the center of mass of first one, so it is C1, center of mass of second one, it is C2, center of mass of third one is C3. Okay, next we can find out the center of mass of L-shaped lamina. So now first we have taken here, so the points. Okay, so the points is we have taken. So what is the height here? So point A, at point A, so 1 plus 1, so 2 comma, what is it is 0. Is B is a, so what is the length here? 2. Okay, so it is 2 comma, so what is the height? 1. So what is D? The x-axis length is 1 and y-axis it is 1, D point is 1 comma 1. And what is E point? E point is x 1 comma, so this is height 2, 1 plus 1. And F is, so it is 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2, so F point. So next we can take C1 and C2, C3 points. Okay, so what about C1 point? C1 point equals to, so C1 is nothing but, so it is 0 0 origin. So the center, so it is taken as, okay, center of the diagonal 0 plus 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 comma 0 plus 1 by 2, so it is also 1 by 2, C1 point. and C2 point we have taken the C2 where it is C2. So this is the diagonal. So what is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, and 1 plus 0 by 2, so it is 1 by 2. Again C3 where is C3? C3 here, so it is 1 comma 1, 0 comma 2. So 1 plus 0, 1 by 2, comma 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Okay, it is a x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. So we can find out, then hence we can find out xcm equals to, so what is the m1 m2 m3? m1 equals to 1 kilograms and m2 equals to 1 kilogram and m3 equals to also 1 kilogram. So the total L shape lamina is 3 kilograms. It is divided 3. So 3 equal shapes. So then each one, m1 equals to 1 kilogram, m2 equals to 1 kilogram, m3 equals to 1 kilogram. So next it is m1 into x1. So what is m1? 1 into x1 equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 into, so it is into 3 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 divided by, so what is 1 plus 1 plus 1 and equals to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So LCM is 2. Okay, 2 is the LCM. 1 plus 3 plus 1 whole divided by 3. So that equals to 1 plus 3 plus 1. It is 5 by 2 by 3. So it is 5 by 6 meters. This is XCM value. Next, YCM equals to center of mass y direction. So this is also 1 m1, 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into, so it is 1 by 2 plus 1 into m3, 1 into 3 by 2. It is taken 3 by 2 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1, that equals to, so same LCM is 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 3, that equals to, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5 divided by 6 meters. So this is YCM equals to. So then, so what is the value here? XCM comma YCM equals to, okay, XCM YCM equals to 5 by 6 comma 5 by 6. So this is the center of mass. This center of mass is along OD direction. So because of here 1 comma 1, 5 by 6 is nothing but 0.8 comma 0.8. So 0.8 comma 0.8, where is 0.8? So it is 0.8. For example, it is 1. So 0. Here, 0.8 here, and it is also 1. So 0.8 comma 0.8. So this point is indicates the total capital G. So it is capital G is indicates the center of mass of L-shaped lamina. L-shaped lamina is 5 by 6 comma 5 by 6, that is 0.8 comma 0.8. So this is the center of mass of L-shaped lamina.